Morning student, I'm Gagandeep Kaur. In last video we have started future tense, future indefinite tense, and today we are going to discuss about future continuous tense. So let's start. Future continuous tense is used to indicate continued or ongoing action in the future. It means work will start or continue in the future. Format of future continuous tense is subject. Sentence will start with subject. Subject would be noun or pronoun. Noun is the name of any person, place, animal, thing, etc. And the word which replaces the noun, that is called pronoun, like he, she, it, etc. And then shall or will, then be, verb first form, then ing, and then object. Object are the words that answer the question what, when, where, etc. in order to complete the sense of the sentence. For example, Ram will be completing his homework. Here Ram is subject, Ram is noun. Here will, as it is, be completing, complete verb first form with ing. His homework is object here because it is answering the question what Ram will be complete. Answer is his homework. Next, I shall be playing football. I is subject here, shall as it is, be playing verb first form with ing, and then football object. Next example, they will be visiting the museum on Monday. Here they is subject, will be visiting, visit was first form with ing, and then object. Okay, now move to negative sentences. In negative sentences, format is same, only we have to use not after shall or will. For example, Ram will not be completing his homework. Here after will, not. Next example, I shall not be playing football. After shall, not. Next, they will not be visiting the museum on Monday. So after will, not. Now move to interrogative sentences. Format is first shall or will, then subject, then be, then verb first form, then ing, and then object. For example, will Ram be completing his homework? And question mark. Will, as it is, Ram is subject, be completing his homework, object. Next example, shall I be playing football? Shall, as it is, I is subject, be playing, and then football, object, and then question mark. Next example, will they be visiting the museum on Monday? Will they, subject, be visiting, and then object, and then question mark. Now move to interrogative negative sentences. Format is shall or will, then subject, then not, then be, then verb first form, and then ing, and then object. For example, will Ram not be completing his homework? We also put question mark after the interrogative negative sentences. Next example, shall I not playing football? Shall I not be playing football? Question mark. Next example, will they not be visiting the museum on Monday? Question mark. So I hope you clear what is future continuous tense. In next video we will discuss about future perfect tense. Thank you so much for watching.